The screw modifier creates a 3D shape by rotating a 2D profile or edge loop around an axis, similar to a screw or a spiral. Start by creating an object that's flat like a plane. Go to Add Modifier, Generate, and select Screw. You can see that it's overlapping right here, so we need to rotate 90 degrees upwards. You can change the screw height by adjusting the screw number. You can move your object and scale it so that it gives you the shape that you're looking for. You can adjust iterations so it repeats upwards. Adjust your shape to match the kind of look you're going for, whether you're trying to create a screw or a bolt or something like that. You can adjust the axis that this is rotating around. You can also choose a different object that it will adjust with. So select that object. Now this object will adjust how that modifier is working on that object. This is useful for various types of structures. Give it a try.